So in today's video, we are going to be creating this distress lock, starting from straight hair to this level. So if you like the sound of that, please keep watching. Ages today, you can imagine, that is to tell you that today I'm in for the slay. I am in for the slay. I'm all for the slay. It's the slay for me, you know. It is the slay for me. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Nonnie, aka Simply Nonnie, and in my channel we'll talk about beauty, lifestyle, fashion, natural hair, DIYs, tips, and a lot of other good stuff that interest me. So if you like the sound of that, if you're a new subscriber, please subscribe, click the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much guys. Thank you for your support and love. I appreciate it. I can't reward you for all you do and all how you support me, but God in heaven will reward you. Amen. You start by cutting your attachment into 3 equal parts, one packet into 3 equal parts, after which you even it out, comb it with apply petroleum jelly and comb it out to give it that evened tip. Then after that we will be coiling it. The coiling pattern is different from the way we did our passion twist. You know, our passion twist, we did the coiling with giving gap or space in between the attach, where we now turn back and put recoil the other end to the spaces we left. But this one, you coil it tightly. When you coil it, like you get like 2-3 coaches, you just use your bobby pin. Just watch the way I'm doing it and secure the end. Then you coil it tightly. You coil it very tightly. The coils need to be very tight so that you'll be able to get that distressed look. So this is how you'll be coiling it, so that the thing will be like, when it comes out, it will come out like spring twist. You understand? Come out like spring twist. What you do is, when you place it on the straw, make sure you use a brush to run it down so that it will be very free, because if you don't brush it while on the straw, when you want to separate it while you're doing the distress butterfly locks, it's going to be tangled. But if you run a brush on it before you coil it, it will be easy for you to use when you're doing the distress locks. Do you understand? So that's how you'll be doing it. I'll show you one more example so you'll be able to get how it is done. Just like this. Just watch me closely how I do it. Coil it tightly around the straw, then bend and secure with bobby pin so it doesn't loosen up as you're doing the rest of the attachment. So you continue. You can see how it is. You continue just like that. When you reach the end, you just wrap it around the body like that, so it will go. This is all that I did. So we be soaking it in hot water to get that coils that we are looking for. Meanwhile, I added a little conditioner to it to keep it moisturized. And after soaking it in the hot water, I will use my oil sheen. I'm using ORS olive oil to spray it around it so that it will be shiny and moisturized. So let's start making this. Like after 24 hours that I soaked it. So this is how you unravel it, and can unravel it anyhow it works better for you. So how I'm doing it, I'm adding an attachment because I don't want it to be too, I don't want my butterfly lock to be too thin. Yes, I want it to be a little big on the medium side. So I'm adding an attachment. And another thing, to secure my hair, because I don't want to do it directly on my hair. So what I do is I will put the attachment using crochet, then I will braid it down. And once I get to where my hair is stopping, I will continue. But when I get to the tip of my hair, I will stop braiding it. Then I won't be tying it. Then after that, you just the same way, the spring twist that we just produced, you just use your crochet pin and pass it through the same way you pass the other attachment. So what you do is, once you pass it, you make sure that one side is longer than the other side. So the one that is very short, you add it to the attachment that you just braided, or you add it to the hair that you just braided. Then you be wrapping it around. You see the way I'm wrapping it, you use your index finger to cross it, and you don't wrap it too tight. It has to be very loose. If not, it won't give you that look that you're looking for. It will just be like strong, like to be like when you did thread. We don't know all this rubber threading that you do. It will be very strong. But when you wrap it loosely around the braid, it's going to give you that bouncy look when you finish. So when you get to the end, you start coiling it back, or you tie a knot, fold the remaining attachment. You tie a knot, not like tying a knot, like tying. You just wrap the one that you're using to wrap the lock around it tightly at the tips. Then you now wrap it upward the way you came down. Just wrap it upward. Then use your hand like you're scrunching it, just the way I'm doing it like this. So I will show you a few more examples so that you will see how it is done. You put the attachment first. The purpose of the attachment is just because I feel I want to secure my hair, so I don't cut my hair while I'm trying to lose the stress loss. So if you have long hair, my hair is very long, and I wanted exactly the length of my hair, so I'm not adding extra inch. So if you have very long hair like me and you want to maintain the length of your hair, and you don't want to add the attachment, it's okay. It's okay. You don't really need to add the attachment, but I just feel like I need to add the attachment to further protect my hair from getting damaged when I will be losing the stress lock, and also to give it a little body to get that medium-sized distress butterfly lock. So that's what I'm doing. You can watch the way I'm doing it. Pass our spring twist around like that. Then make sure one side is longer. Yes, like this. Very long. So if your attachment if the spring twist that you created is not as long as mine is very long, or maybe because of the way I evened it out, I pulled it very well. So if you realize that it is not getting to the tips or the length you want, you can just take another one, add it, just hold the other ends with the one that the body that you're wrapping down, then wrap the other one, add it to the old one, and wrap all of them downwards. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying, so that you get that length that you're looking for. But this is the length I want. I just want it to be exactly the length of my hair. I don't want it to be very long. My baby, once my hair is long, if I'm backing her, she will just be pulling it out, like pulling the hair. So I want it to be the same length of mine, so I can easily pack it up when I want to, or put it down when I want to, and without feeling disturbed, or without it disturbing my baby when I'm carrying her. So that's how I did it. So what I do now, the attachment I'm using is too long, so I will reduce it before I turn it the other way around. Then see the way I'm wrapping the tips. That's how you wrap it. Like, you're not going to tie it, just wrap it tightly, then you start wrapping it loosely upwards again, so that it will still give you that bouncy distressed butterfly look. You can watch it. It's very simple to do. The attachment I used one packet of attachment, but when I was doing it, I forgot to film it when I was cutting it, because I was filming 2 videos. I was doing my headband wig, which I'll be posting next week. I was doing my headband wig, and I was doing this one at the same time, so I skipped my mind. I just felt I've already I thought I recorded it while I was cutting and evening it out, but it's just one packet of attachment is what I bought. I bought 2 packets, and I'm using the color 2, the same color I use for my headband wig. So that's why you see me using the same color I use. This is not black, this color 2, because the color of my hair is color 2. I don't have a black hair, so I think with this color I feel it's going to give me more natural, that lock look that I'm going for. If you watch, my hair is not black, so it's going to give me that natural color natural look that I'm going for. That's why I use color 2, but you can use any color of your choice. If you decide, you can use colored 130, whatever color that your preference is. Just go ahead and use it. Just follow the step of coiling. The most important part of it is following the step of coiling it. The way you coil it, that's the most important. If you don't get that springy look after coiling, it means you're not going to get that distressed butterfly look when you use it. So that's the most important thing. The color of the attachment does not matter. The color of the, or if you want, you can add another color. If you want to add another color to the tip, what you do is when you twist that, when you start braiding it, then you do 2 different colors. Before you get to the tip, you add the other one, then wrap it around. So that way to give you that ombre look that you're going for. But I want just one color in a way that it's going to be very simple, mature and classy. I just want something simple. This protective style season, so we need to protect our hair from every harsh weather, harmattan, cold, winter, whatever. You need to protect your hair. If not, at the end of the year, you'll be losing a lot of hair and your hair will be drying out. So if you watch my hair, you will see that my pattern is not neat, is not looking that shiny. Yes, it's because I didn't use gel. I didn't use gel for this hair because I don't want to put gel in my hair. Naturally, I don't really like to put gel in any hair that I want to carry, except the hair I'm carrying for just 3 to 4 days. But any hair I'm going to carry for more than a week, I don't usually put gel in it so that it won't dry out my hair. My hair dries really fast, and this weather, this harmattan weather or cold weather, hair tends to dry faster than it used to be. So I'm not using gel, but the front I'm going to use gel just because I want to slay the front. But if I was doing it on a normal day that I'm not going to film it, I'm not going to use gel. I'm telling you the truth because I'm not really a gel person. I only do use gel when I want to do ponytail, and the ponytail I don't carry it for more than 3 to 4 days, and I wash it out. So this front, once I use gel, I can easily wash it out if I want. If I feel like I don't want the gel again, I'll just wash it out and moisturize my hair. And I've already put my hair in a twisted form before filming because I didn't want the video to be very long. You understand? I didn't want the video to be very long. If I had added the part I was doing the braiding of the hair, the video was going to be too long, so I wanted the video to be short. That's how I had to reduce the length by braiding my hair before coming to show you how to. But guys, this thing is really very simple and you will enjoy it. It's worth the time. I know it will take your time, but it's worth the time because when you think about the price of a packet of spring twist in the market or online, and you can't calculate how much you're going to spend for how many packs, because you need like 6 to 7 or 8, even 8 packs for you to get the volume that you're looking for, except you want it very scanty. And when you calculate the amount, girl, you know that this thing is worth the time. So you see the way I'm wrapping it, just keep watching me. You see the way I'm wrapping it. I'm not wrapping it tightly. Once I hold the attachment or on the hair, I will tie it around the roots of the hair. Yes, I'll tie it around the root or like 3 times tightly, then I'll start wrapping it loosely so that it will give me that soft lock look that I'm looking for, that distressed butterfly look that I'm looking for. So guys, you can see that this thing, there is no difference between this one and the one they are doing in the market. You understand? There is no difference between it. So I got this inspiration from Lovett Speaks. That was where I got my inspiration from. I'll be tagging her channel to this video in the description box. So this is the end of the locks. I finished all the locks. This is the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment in the comment section and share this video with your friends that will love this video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.